boys.
Yay! Hi!
Where are we going today?
Country Park.
Well, maybe.
Yeah.
But it's just us three. The male Potters are off for a little bike ride.
Yeah.
It's been raining. It's been hammering it down this morning. I've got a day off work. Mrs. P and here.
Funeral.
Well,
Auntie's funeral. Yeah.
And we're having a bike ride.
Because Mr. P now has a bike for himself.
I've got a mountain bike, so yeah. So we're off for a little ride. Let's see what we see along these adventures.
Yeah.
It's probably going to be a bit bumpy for you.
Yeah.
But there's Zach down there. You can see me. I'm here. Come on, Korban. Yeah, so little Potters of Mr. P off on a little bike ride. Don't know where we're going to end up. We've got food, we've got drink, we've got supplies. Bit of a sore throat today. But there's little Korban behind me. He's at the side of me now. Well, here we are, down the country park, eh boys? Yeah. Big puddles, mud. This is what it's about. Hey Korban.
Yeah. I'm getting mud all over my knees.
That's alright.
And I love it. Look at my knees.
You did?
Ah. Oh.
You're alright.
Look at my knees.
Zach just got stung by a stinging nettle. Let's go, let's go.
Ready? Go. Come on, fam, let's go.
Come on, fam. I'm following you. I'll be a bit bumpy on the camera. Hopefully Rocksteady's kicked in. I'm too happy, boys. We're going to be covered in mud by the time we finish down here.
Yeah.
Aren't we?
Yeah. It's like the mud road. It is, Dad.
Like Korban doing a bit of off-roading. Yeah.
What people go to the mud run.
Yeah.
It's like that, but bike club.
It is, isn't it? So it's about father-son bonding time in muddy puddles.
It's literally covered.
You happy, boys?
Yeah. Got covered.
No, because I'm riding careful. You got it all at your back, Zach. Daddy John, he's gone.
Dad, what's worse? Being stung by a bee or being stung by a stinging nettle?
I think getting stung by a bee's worse.
Yeah, it is.
Don't you?
Yeah.
Where's that?
Yeah.
There he is.
We need to catch up to Korban.
We'll catch up to Korban, won't we?
Yeah. It is. No.
You're right there, yeah? Having fun?
Yeah.
Okay, he's getting covered. But you're loving it, ain't you?
Got wedgies. I want a fluffy seat so I don't get wedgies.
Alright. So you want a fluffy seat so you don't get a wedgie?
Yeah. Because this seat is falling up.
Oh, right. So apparently Zach wants a fluffy seat so he doesn't get a wedgie. Oh, oh! You okay? Oh, Korban.
Yeah, I'm okay.
Zach just come off.
Yeah.
Is he alright?
Yeah.
He says he's alright. He's getting covered in mud. Here he comes. And there he goes. Can't beat the British countryside, especially when you're biking through it. Yeah? Yeah, it might be. You could go on it.
Yeah.
Right, so here we are. The Potters on a cycle excursion. The boys are happy. Sorry about the view. It currently clips the handlebars. Oh, such a sore throat today for some reason. Probably shouting too much at the kids. Yeah. Little bugs and mozzies everywhere. Boys getting covered in mud. They're loving it. Here comes Zach now. You see him.
Hi.
There goes Zach now. We're just going to sit down and have something to drink, have something to eat.
ride my bike, I roller skate, don't drive no car. I ride my bike, I roller skate, don't drive no car. I've been, yeah, I got a brand new pair of roller skates. You got a brand new key. I got a brand new pair of roller skates. You got a brand new key. Oh yeah.
You want to see Zach? Let's have a look at him. Oh, look at that. Turn around your back. Oh, look at that. Mummy's going to love that. Korban's not that bad. Hey, yeah.
No! No, I went all the way up there, Dad. You can see my timer. Only on the legs.
So they're happy boys.
Only on the legs.
Look at his legs.
Look at my t-shirt. Look at my shoes. Look at my t-shirt.
Don't look at you.
T-shirt.
Turn around.
Look. Dad, look.
Look, like I say. Well, yeah, you're clean. Like I say, dirty child is happy child. There's no one down here today.
Literally.
Just us on our bikes.
Just have a look down there.
Look.
No one.
No one at all. One person.
A jogger.
The jogger. That was it. So we're gonna go head down to the cafe.
Get some ice cream in
Well,
this stomach.
it might be shut. Drive through them. By the way, my front wheel's buckled. Watch this, but how buckled it is. Oh dear. They were deep and I just went charging through them. As it turns out, it's ice cream time. So as Korban just told me, it's 9:40.
Yeah.
We're having an ice cream. And why not? Summer holidays.
And it says no bread.
We ain't got no bread. We're all muddy. We all just went through the puddles.
No ice cream.
Nice ice cream. So look. Comes up there. So yeah, here we are. You enjoy the view. I'm going to eat this. I'm going to get it all in my beard.
Yeah.
But I'm not going to show you that. And we're going to go to the park in a minute.
I've already got some there in the beard.
I've already got some in my beard. Where is it? You might see it. Ooh. Saving it for later. We're all on our bikes. It's like something out of Stranger Things, isn't it?
Oh yeah, the 4 boys. I'm Dustin. Korban is Lucas. And Dad is Mark.
I just go for a run and just slipped over. You ready? Check it out.
I'll go first. So can I go first?
Nice. We're on zip line.
Go.
Daddy P first. One-handed.
Daddy, please, Daddy.
Here we go. Oh, yeah.
There you go. There you go. Oh, follow me.
Look at me go.
Well, that's it. We've done the park. Over the bumps. Let's go back to the trail.
Yeah.
Lovely, isn't it? Come on then, boys. Let's go and get muddier.
Yeah.
Yep. We all need showers, don't we?
Yeah.
Even more so Korban because he fell over.
Yeah.
Hey Korban. Whoa.
What?
That is mad. Look at that acorn.
Whoa.
That is well weird.
Put in your
I've stopped to show you this. Acorn.
That's nothing.
Oh, they're falling out of the tree and hitting us on heads. So cool.
I'll put it in my pocket.
Yeah, don't lose it.
Go on, put it in your front pocket.
That's
there.
it. Right. We ready, dudes?
Yes, keep going. I have to turn around.
We ready to go? Carry on the adventure?
Yeah.
Who'd like to ride round again?
Oh. I want to. Please? Yeah.
What news we got for you? Oh yeah. 70 days today till we go to Disney. Buzzing. Absolutely buzzing. Can't wait. It's going to be some amazing vlogs, some amazing footage. And what we got to come? Well, I've recently done a Cummings Open Day vlog. I'm still working on that because I had to do one for work. We've got a long lead coming up. We're going long lead next week. What else have we got? Got a few other things, but I can't really remember. Right, anyway, enough of that. Let's go back to the woods and follow the boys. Days today till we go to Disney.
Yeah, boy.
Yep. And what are you looking forward to the most?
Expedition Everest.
Expedition Everest. What about Korban? What's he looking forward to the most? Everything. Flying through Gatwick, VIP check-in, VIP lounge, upstairs on the plane. Remember your manners, boys, please. Good boys. Someone's got to. Cheers. Wow. Cheers, I was saying, picking up the car from Alamo, we've got a big truck, which I'm looking forward to getting. What else we got? And we're staying at Caribbean Beach, baby. He's saying he's never heard me sing before, which he has. He's heard me sing. He's heard me sing in the shower. But Zach, this one's for you. You ready? Always look on the bright side of life. Well, pop tubers. The boys are knackered. I could go around again and again and again. So they want to head home. Probably playing Fortnite on the Xbox. I'm going to edit you. So, pot tubers, for now, for now, like, subscribe,
Yeah.
comment down below,
How do you love it?
hit the bell for notifications.
Yeah, finally, you got that right.
Pot tubers, you know what to do.